Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome today to me and Wendy's video of how well do you know each other. We are not twins, but we are friends, so we're going to try to figure that out. Now do your introduction.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have one of my most annoying guests of all
The
time.
one and only person that's always on your channel, me.
Exactly. And today we went into the special video. It's gonna be all in English or maybe Kringlish. I don't know. And we will just do a video about like how well we know each other. And this video was inspired by Glam Twins, so we just saw they did the video, so we just put a little twist to it, and then we kind of change it to fit us a little bit. And let's just jump into it so you guys can see what is it about.
Let's go. Okay, when and
This
how
one is
did we-
an easy one. It's easy.
Just say it.
We met at school 3 years ago, 3 to 4 years ago.
Yes, she was handicapped. I felt bad about her, and since she said she was from the same country as me.
Nah, actually, you came to talk to me. She came. She was like, "Where are you from?" And I was like, "I'm from
She was
Haiti."
handicapped. I felt bad.
At that time, you didn't even know if I was handicapped because I was seated. You just came and then like everybody was
I do
talking.
not want people to take that sentence wrong. We're gonna delete that.
Because of when I was handicapped.
I don't want people to think like I'm insensible or something like that.
No, it's just like I was seated. She came. We were in the same class because we met actually in friends. And then she came and then she sat down like right in front of me. And then like everybody was saying where they were from. And she turned around. She was like, "Where are you from?" And I was like, "I'm from Haiti." And she's like, "Oh, same here." And people, if you guys know any Haitian, she was a real limina. Like the way she was dressed, the way she talked.
I was not a limina.
Yes, you were. And
I just had a huge handbag.
She had a huge bag, just like the limina from Port-au-Prince. The way you know them.
First of all, I don't know the limina from Port-au-Prince.
One over there.
I was not a limina. Okay, I just had a huge bag, and she had just a little small tot, and she thought, "Oh my God, she has a big bag. She look like limina." No,
You look like the limina.
I was just looking mad cute. That's
Anyway,
it.
actually you weren't.
When you're big a hater. All I remember is that she was sick. I talked to her because she was looking lonely, and I was like, she has a, how do they call these things again?
What? I had crutches.
Yeah, she had crutches.
I had
and
crutches.
So since I know her bag was super heavy with the computer and
Well,
all these
that came after.
Yeah, can I finish my sentence?
Whatever.
And then I accompanied her to the train station, and that's when we started talking.
Yeah. I have to give her credit for that. She was actually super nice because after that she was like, "You know what? Every day after I was coming from school and every day when I was coming to school, she would wait for me and then she would be like, 'Let me just help you with your bag.'" That is the only good, nice thing she has ever done ever since then. Like after that,
I don't think I'd ever do that for anybody, no more else, because God, I ended up getting stuck with one.
So that time, she was extremely nice, and then ever since I got out of my crutches and all, she just became that little that she is over there.
Who is
my favorite?
Your favorite singer? That's easy. Your favorite singer is Sade.
And
who is my favorite singer?
Your favorite singer is damn, I have a blank. I actually.
It says favorite singer, which means it's a female.
I know. But I just like for a second, I just have a blank right now. Tiwa's the.
Okay, number 3. If I could go on any place on earth, where would it be? Girl, what kind of question is that?
I don't know. I didn't make the question.
If I could go on any place on earth, where would it be for you? I'd say it's somewhere peaceful where you could meditate.
Yeah, but if there was like a country, like a place in the country
that you would like.
And I talked to you about that because I told you before, like one of my dream country where I wanted to go even when I was young.
Was it India?
No.
Wait. When you were young?
Yeah. And now I don't really talk about it like as much as before.
Have you gone already?
No.
Is it like an island? Is it a country that's cold?
Well,
give me a hint.
Okay, it's in South America.
South America? Is it Peru? I don't know. I didn't even think you had.
It's I told
You know,
you.
Brazil came in my head first. I was like, maybe not, because we were like right next to the corner.
But I told you before that I wanted to live in the forest. I told you that before.
Oh, in the Amazon forest. I forgot.
Yeah.
For me, if I could go on any place on earth, where would it be?
Is it like Fiji?
Yes. That's my dream place.
Oh yeah, this one was good.
Damn, that was easy for me. It's because I talk about it a lot.
Yeah.
What's my favorite food? Well, what is your favorite? Her favorite food, in terms of food
Type of food.
Mm. It's Thai.
Mm-hmm.
And Cambodian food.
No, what's it Thai?
It's Thai, and if she could, yeah, Thai. What's my favorite food? It's easy.
Is it Mexican? No, it's Japanese.
Mexican too. I like Mexican. Mexican comes second, but the first one is
it's Japanese.
Give me some sushi.
Yeah, you know, she's the type of girl that can actually eat, like, one time she ate 40 sushis. She actually did that.
Yes, it was not 40.
Well, how much it was?
It was 20.
It was 30. It was up to
20. It was not 40.
It was 40.
It was not 40. It was just 20.
It was more than 20. What is the name of my celebrity crush?
Celebrity crush? Is it like guy or girl?
It's a guy. I don't have any girl. Who's my celebrity crush as a girl?
I have no clue, but as a guy, it's Bay. It's T'Challa's enemy. So Michael.
Yeah.
B. What's the name again? Michael
B. Jordan.
Michael B. Jordan.
Yeah, I have the biggest crush on him.
What's my biggest celebrity crush?
Is it Michael B. Jordan as well?
It's him, but there's one that has been there since like a long time ago. Never changed.
It's a guy?
Yeah, but Michael B. Jordan is my number one now, but like there's a second one. I do not want to have the same answer as you, so.
You say it's a guy?
It's a guy. You know, I'm gonna give you yes, he is black.
I'm asking how to know.
It's my celebrity crush. He's cute, and I've had him. He's a singer.
He's a singer?
Oh my god. I've always had a
Malik Berry? Oh, damn.
He's fine too, but no.
Where is he from?
Oh my god. He's a singer. You know what?
Have you talked to me about him?
Yes, he's been my crush. I even have his picture on my Facebook account.
Oh, Trey Songz! Oh my god, yeah.
If the whole world was listening to you, what would you say? She would talk about feminism, just like I said before this video.
No, but I said it wasn't. I would actually talk about black people, maybe. Or maybe about feminism. I don't know,
feminism. What would I talk about?
Well, it would have to be about, you know, our technologies are replacing people's place, you know, all the machines that we're getting so good at managing machines that we basically don't need people to do things anymore, and they're just always complaining about that.
That's one thing I'll talk about. What is the biggest, scariest event ever happened to me? Well, I'm not gonna stop saying that. Biggest event that ever happened, scariest thing that ever happened to Wendy, I know it's her car accident where she almost died, and for me it's
the earthquake where you actually almost died as well.
Yeah. Okay, am I a spendthrift or do I like to save my money?
Oh, that's a tough question. I think it's kind of both. The thing is, you kind of like to save money, but at the same time, you never have money.
Because I'm always spending it on food.
It's like as soon as she gets paid, like, you don't know where the money goes. Like, yeah, I think you like to spend.
I like to spend, but I also saved. Sort of.
Yeah, I think.
And hey, for you, I'd say you're a spendthrift. But at the same time, you're also a saving person. You're like in the middle.
Yeah, I'm actually really in the middle.
Because if she sees something and her ass can't afford it, but she wants it, she's still gonna go for it and still be broke.
Yeah. But at the same time, like when I have money, like as soon as the money gets in, I like to separate it.
Well, I'd say we're both in between. So, next question before this thing stops. What is my favorite animal?
Well, I don't know because you don't like animals.
I don't like animals. I like fish. I like fish.
Yeah, she doesn't like animals. I'm sorry, everybody. I like animals, so
it's not that I don't like animals. I'm scared of them. That's it. It's not that I'm because if I go and I see dolphins, I'm probably gonna be like, oh my god, they're so cute. And if they brain come next to me, I might touch it, just and run away. I don't hate animals. I love animals.
She be running away from her chihuahua. Like,
yo, chihuahuas are dogs that are so disrespectful and loud, but yet so small. You have no idea how this big old sound come from this little thing. What is it? Again, the next question.
What about me?
You do. What's your favorite animal?
Yeah.
Dogs.
No.
And cats.
Yeah, maybe cats.
You have a zoo at your house. In Haiti, she has a zoo.
Yeah.
She has cats, dogs, birds.
Yeah, it's mostly my mom though. She likes animals.
Duck. All sort of things. She has a whole lot in her house.
Some of them we can't even say them in English. Like.
Yeah, I don't know the words in English.
Yeah.
What's my favorite activity on a day off? I'll start with Wendy. On a day off, Wendy likes to sit in her bed and watch Impossible Renovation all day. Every
No, I only do that on Sunday. And I just discovered this show. Oh, you picked up.
And on Saturdays, she sits at home and is always on her computer because she's working on a project.
Yeah, I'm always working on a project. That's my favorite thing to do.
Yeah, on a day off, and the other thing is just sit on the couch and watch TV. And since she just discovered this new show, and she's not watching it, she's watching like Pedo. Sorry. How Did I Meet Your Mother, Martin, or she's showing my mom some new stuff. I only watch it when I'm going to sleep. I don't watch them during the day. I'm not even a TV person. Impossible Renovation. She's been watching it every Sunday all day long. Day long.
This is the only show that I watch on Sunday because I actually can't.
What's my favorite activity to do on the day off?
You? I'm gonna say that every time that I come back home, and this is a conversation that we had already, I swear, Kenya Lee, she's always looking for jobs. I don't know if it's the thing that she's, I don't know, her most favorite things to do, but
they say on my day off, not after work.
No, when I come, because I'm always working and you're always looking for jobs.
No, they say on your day off.
Can I just say what did you do today?
Today? I did laundry, and then for 5 minutes I went to look for jobs because
it wasn't for 5 minutes. It wasn't for 5 minutes.
Actually, I spent legit maximum 30 minutes, max.
I spent 1 hour on that thing.
No, I count myself. I give myself a timeline now.
What were you doing before? She's always working on her CV. She's always working on her CV, and she's always looking for jobs. I don't know if it's your favorite thing.
That's not what I want to do. They say that.
Okay, that's the kind of thing that she's forced to do. Okay, maybe other than that, I would say that she likes watching TV and scrolling down on Instagram while doing it.
Actually, that's not even my favorite thing to do on my day off.
What is your favorite
thing to do on day off is to get the hell out of my house. But since I'm broke, I have to stay home.
Yeah, I kind of forgot.
Because, last summer, I was never home. You were always home on your day off. I was never home on my day off.
Yeah, Kennedy, she likes to go out a lot. And I forgot about that. She has been broke for so long that I actually forgot that she likes to go out.
My mom would always be like, oh my god, this girl is always out. Wendy, how come you're home? Wendy would always sit home, watch TV on her day off, and I would always be out.
Yeah, she is.
That's what I do on my day.
She's the typical what we call in Haiti a people do it. That's what she is. Like,
whatever.
When we be talking about like, oh, little should they buy cat. That's Kennedy.
I like staying home.
I kind of forgot about that because she has been staying home for so long right now.
Staying home. I'm going to stay home because I'm broke right now.
And
gotta do savings.
Me, I'm always working on projects. Like I always have something that I'm working on.
Yeah, it makes people think you're a little bit more serious than me, but then
no, actually, I'm kind of lame. I'm always staying home working, and you always out.
I'm younger.
Yeah,
I need to go out and explore.
My goes out days are
done. Okay. What's the one thing that I like buying when I go shopping? Can I answer first for you? For Wendy, I would say it's mostly accessories. Like it would be shoes and bags and jewelries. That's what you always buy. You're always going for bags
because I'm broke.
No. Wendy, you won't go for clothes first usually.
Yeah, I don't.
It would always be shoes. Actually, it's always shoes.
Because I'm always like, let's go to
after
Aldo.
Shoes, she's always going to Aldo every time. She's always going to Aldo. We'll go inside and probably walk around not buy shit, but sorry for my language, will always go to Aldo for shoes. That's her one thing. What is one thing I always look for?
I would say outfits.
Yeah, I'm always looking for outfits.
Yeah, she's always looking for outfits.
And last but it's not last. Favorite ice cream flavor for her is sorbet.
Yeah, but sorbet what?
Mango.
That's because I just bought mango.
No, the last time you bought sorbet again, the two last time, it was also mango.
It was also mango?
It's sorbet mango.
What is not even my favorite food?
What's my favorite ice cream flavor?
That's
easy. Everybody knows it.
Rum raisin. Yeah.
Everybody knows it. It's rum raisin. I love me some rum raisin. Whatever brand it is.
No, whatever thing that has rum in it, that's the thing. It's not about your raisin, people. It's about the rum.
And what is my favorite country that I have been to? Okay, I'm gonna answer for Wendy.
Okay.
Your favorite country that you've ever been to? Is it Thailand?
Yeah. It's actually Thailand. Like, yeah, I went there twice. It's like the only country where I've been twice.
Yeah. What's my favorite country that I've ever been to?
I would say Portugal.
Just because we went recently. My favorite country that we went to was
it's Argentina. Oh, Barcelona?
It was.
It was Barcelona.
No, actually, no, it was Argentina.
It's Argentina.
It's Argentina.
So thank you guys for watching. I hope we did our best to actually share with you some of the things that we actually like to do, or how well we know each other. And it has been a long journey. First of all, to make that video, and second, between you and all. And we're just looking forward to do more videos. So let us know if you like this video. Just comment, like, and share. And definitely, if you like it, we will do more. Yeah. And yeah, because we don't really have a lot of like. No.
Oh, and welcome to our IGTV.
And yeah. So thank you, and see you soon.
Goodbye.